Hey everyone, Steven here. So I've got another comment on my community tab, and if you have any sort of hair questions or something you want me to answer, leave a comment in that post on my community tab, and I'm getting bombarded with them, and I'm gonna be solving your problems in my upcoming videos. So thanks for the engagement, this is really awesome. So I got a question. When you cut hair, how do you know you are cutting layers versus cutting no layers? I just wanna trim the ends and keep everything one length. That's a great question, and it's actually fairly simple, and I'm gonna break this down in layman's terms as best as I possibly can. So when you're layering hair, you're actually creating some sort of elevation, AKA lifting the hair out from the head somehow, whether it's out this way or this way. Anytime you're elevating or pulling out from the head, you're gonna be layering the hair or creating some sort of different shape on the head. And if you don't, it's going to be its maximum weight, maximum length, which is just holding it straight down. So hair grows out from the head, and due to gravity and just the way your hair grows, everything wants to flow downwards like this, right? As you can see. Now, even though I did layer this haircut, I'm also trying to mimic something by making it look like it's all one length because the hair is a bit damp, so I can do that. So this looks like it's all one length. If I were to cut this, and if you want to keep your hair with no layers whatsoever, all you need to do is just comb this straight down, and you can cut it in a variety of ways. If you're looking just to skim the ends, you can comb this straight down like this and just use the comb and just skim the ends like this with no elevation whatsoever, right? Or you can comb this straight down using the comb, lock your fingers in and keep it as flat as you possibly can and just skim those ends. So you aren't gonna be layering the hair if you are doing that. If you were to cut this by combing it straight upwards like this, elevating the hair and then cutting this, what's gonna happen is you're cutting all this hair on top here, therefore you are layering it. So the easiest haircut, believe it or not, is one length and not creating layers. So that's something I think is really, really crucial. And it also depends on how long your hair is. So for another haircut, let's take a female mannequin or a much longer mannequin, and let's analyze this and break this down. So this whole thing is layered because that's the kind of look that I was going for, right? I wanted to have this flow. But let's just say I didn't want to layer any of this. I wanted a one length, simple haircut, no, maximum weight. And then another thing that's important to understand with haircuts, there's really three types of haircuts. There's one length, which is maximum weight. It's the heaviest your hair is gonna be, the flattest, the most natural. No layers, it's one length. Then you've got layering, which is removing weight. And then you've got graduation, which is actually building weight in a certain area, which is most likely cut like if you were to hold this straight out like this and then cut going downwards. We're gonna be building a whole bunch of weight in one area and then removing it in another. So that's why you see like that really beveled, rounded shape. So by cutting the hair for maximum weight, all you would need to do, again, on one length, something that's a lot longer, even like this, is just comb everything straight down to where you're taking the comb and going all the way down to the very ends and just literally skimming those ends. You're not elevating, you're not lifting, it's all combed straight down. Now, you could also create, this is a fun little thing here, fun little tip, is you can also create a one length face frame. Now, if you are someone who's growing your hair longer, especially if you're a guy, because I've done this a lot of times, is sometimes you want a little softness throughout the front here. Well, I can take this and comb this all straight down like this and cut it all one length on a bit of an angle. So I can go down this way, I can comb this straight forward. It's maximum weight up here, meaning there is no layers. However, I'm building a shape in through here. What that does, however, is it will create a soft feathered type of look when you bring it forward. So if you're someone who is okay with opening this up here and creating a bit of a feathered look, then it's okay to do this. We're not technically layering the hair because we're leaving us all maximum weight. So it's gonna be fairly a sharp line in through here, but it's great if you're trying to just open up the face a little bit and add a little bit of softness. Again, all done with one length. So I think this was a really, really great question. It's a fairly simple process, just all straight down from the scalp, don't lift out from the head, and you won't be layering it. That's how you can keep it one length. If you have any questions, I love doing this. This is so much fun, and I'm gonna try to do this almost every video. Just go to my community tab. You can see the post and just leave your comments below, your hair challenges. And don't forget, you can book a VIP experience with me. I'm doing it virtually right now, my virtual hair consultations. I do them with people from all over the world. So you can book that with me, shop.thesalonguy.com. You can see, just go into my homepage and scroll down, you'll see it. And also, I'm gonna be launching the same service, which is even more of a premium experience, in person, in my studio, in the Salon Guy studio, a hair identity session where you can literally come in person and we spend an hour. It's a premium price, a premium experience, but you're gonna get my hands working through your hair, telling you exactly what needs to be done for your haircut. I'm not doing haircuts, however, I'm retired from cutting hair on clients, but I'm gonna share with you the best haircut for you. It's a really, really premium experience. I'm working on that for the in-person one coming soon, but the virtual one has been around for about a year, and I'm doing these on a weekly basis from people all over the world. So let me know if you enjoy this video and this answered your question. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.